Good morning, everyone. This is your weather hazard briefing for Saturday, April 26th. Our key points for the next several days, we've got isolated showers and storms today with above normal temperatures. Looking ahead, widespread rain and storms for Sunday and Monday with temperatures right around normal. And then after that, a warming trend beginning Tuesday with above normal temperatures through much of next week. Here's a current look at satellite imagery. We do have some upper level clouds filtering in through the upper level flow here over southeast Idaho. Otherwise, you can see the upper level low off the coast of California here, and that's going to move inland over the next couple of days, and that's what's going to bring us our very active pattern for tomorrow and Monday. Weather risk outlook for the next several days. So the areas that are going to see the most activity today will be the Central Mountains with showers, and further north, showers and storms. The potential for some lightning. Looking ahead for Sunday into Monday, widespread showers and storms and a wetter pattern for sure as that low moves overhead. But Tuesday, we'll see a Canadian low shift further south, and that's going to bring us showers beginning in the evening into Wednesday. High temperatures for today, we are going to be above normal with widespread upper 60s and 50s in the higher elevations. Our highest wind gusts for today, much of the area will see gusts over 20 miles per hour, with some of the higher elevations exceeding 30 miles per hour for peak gusts. Probability of lightning today, like I said, chances are going to be greatest up here in central Idaho and our central mountains, over 20% chance. Further southeast here, not too much chance for any showers or lightning today. Chance of precipitation, as you can see, like I just said, greatest chances up in the central mountains. Heading later into tonight, very slight chances further south, but overall it's going to be much drier today. Precipitation for today, those totals, even in those areas where we do have the greatest chances, we're still looking at less than a tenth, probably only a few hundredths in most of those areas. And temperatures tonight heading into tomorrow, it's going to be a very mild night, widespread temperatures in the 40s and 30s and a little bit of the higher elevations. And for Sunday's highs, we're going to return to right around normal with widespread 50s and 60s. Highest wind gusts for tomorrow, kind of a normal day in Idaho, some gusts here and there over 20 miles per hour. And for probability of lightning, much more widespread chances, especially in the higher elevations of the eastern mountains, over into the central mountains, exceeding 20% chance with those showers and storms on Sunday. And precipitation chances, again, highest chances, central mountains, and then the higher elevations of the eastern mountains and highlands, especially the Bear Lake area. And so that's for the daytime, and then heading into tomorrow night, greatest precipitation chances will shift slightly further northeast as that low tracks that direction. And for expected totals for QPF, so for the first part of the day, the Central Mountains, everywhere is going to see probably about a tenth to quarter of an inch, and then those highest elevations could even reach closer to half an inch in the time frame tomorrow or heading into tomorrow night. And for tomorrow night, areas closer to the Montana Divide and further east will get in on those higher totals. So some of these higher elevations could exceed half an inch for totals for Sunday. But even in our lower elevations, a tenth to a quarter of an inch, definitely not out of the question. It's going to be a pretty wet pattern for Sunday and Monday. And for snowfall, it's going to be a very high elevation snowfall event. So we're looking at snow accumulating over 7,000 feet. So that could be several inches, but yeah, very high elevation. And temperatures for tomorrow night, a little bit cooler, but still very mild, upper 30s and low 40s for much of southeast Idaho. And for our high temperatures on Monday, pretty similar to what we're expecting for tomorrow, just right around normal, upper 50s and 60s for much of the area. And for our high wind gust on Monday, so this is going to be somewhat what we're going to see Sunday night all the way through Monday afternoon. These areas in yellow here are going to be where we're expecting the highest wind speeds, and this is showing gusts. So it's going to be along ridge tops and down here in the South Hills area are going to see the strongest winds. And for precipitation chances on Monday, we won't get into the amounts quite yet for Monday, but as far as chances go, as that low tracks northeastward, the center of it does look to track right over the southeast, extreme southeast corner of Idaho. So this is where precipitation chances are going to be greatest along our borders with Montana and Wyoming as that low shifts overhead. So just to summarize, today's going to be relatively drier. We do have chances for isolated showers and storms, especially for our central mountains today. Otherwise, temperatures are going to be above normal again today. And for tomorrow and Monday, widespread rain and storm chances for the entirety of the area with near normal temperatures. And then heading into next week, we'll see a warming trend beginning Monday into Tuesday with above normal temperatures throughout the entirety of the week. So that's all we've got for today. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Hope you have a wonderful day.